Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how we can do a smooth zoom using your mouse and shortcut keys. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head back to the tutorial here. Now, in the previous video, we covered your mouse zooming with the mouse wheel. And yeah, I gave you guys some practice to do to get a bit more competent. And then obviously in that zooming, if I zoom into the left here and I want to zoom out to the left, I have to go to the right and zoom out. Now, so for some people, this might be a bit tricky to get used to the concept. So if you do not get used to the concept, this next zoom will definitely be the one for you. It comes with its own limitations because of that, but in combination with a pan and so forth, you might feel very comfortable with it. So for this purpose, I'm just going to have our pan active. There is another way we're going to be doing it in the next video, just to make life a bit more simple. So now what you can do if you want to zoom in without having to use your mouse wheel and then navigating backwards in reverse, then what you can do is you simply keep shift in and then you push your mouse wheel button. So no, you don't wheel it up and down, you just press the button, keep it in while shift is in, and then you drag your mouse up and down. Then you can zoom in. Now as you can see, it's a nice smooth zoom, where if we go to the mouse wheel quick, you see it's quite jagged because this is based on the amount of I can say registry it takes for every mouse turn or mouse wheel turn. You can set this in window to make it more smooth, but then scrolling on the web and documents makes it a bit of a slip. So I would recommend getting used to the shift and middle mouse button. Now, like I say, the limitation is this zooms to the center of your view. So if I want to zoom to that corner, I keep shift in, use middle mouse button, and you'll see it zooms it to the center. And that's why I say this within combination with your pan tool is great, because then you can pan to the center, use your shift plus mouse wheel button, keep it in and zoom in. Or should I say your middle mouse button. Then you can pan around, zoom out, and yeah, rotate. Now this is quite a convenient way. Like I said, if you're not comfortable with zooming in and having to zoom in the opposite directions out, then use this one. So just a quick recap again. You keep shifting, hold your middle mouse button, and then it will zoom to the center of what you're on. So if you have your pan tool selected, you can pan around, zoom, pan. Okay, don't rotate like me. Left click and then you pan. But that brings us to our next video, which will be covering the actual pan with your mouse, how we go about that, because once you combine that with this type of smooth zoom, you will notice that it makes life way more simple. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.